Fowler, he was the writer. Any description, उसका जो डिस्क्रिप्शन था, इट वाज नॉट लाइक ए सीक्रेट एजेंट, मींस उसका जो आउटफिट था, फिजिक्स, वे ऑफ पुटिंग ऑन क्लोथ्स एंड ऑल, मूवमेंट एंड ऑल, एवरीथिंग, इट वाज वेरी लेजी, वेरी स्लगिश, एंड ही वाज नॉट लुकिंग लाइक ए सीक्रेट एजेंट, बिल्कुल सीक्रेट एजेंट नहीं लग रहा था. एंड फॉलर हैड एवर रेड, फॉलर ने इस तरह का सीक्रेट एजेंट कभी नहीं पढ़ा था, मतलब ही हैज नॉट रेड एनीथिंग अबाउट लाइक हिम इन द बुक्स, बुक्स में इस तरह का सीक्रेट एजेंट नहीं देखा था. फॉलोइंग हिम डाउन द मस्टी कॉरिडोर, उसके पीछे पीछे चलते हुए मस्टी कॉरिडोर पे the secret agent, they are very smart, very active, very energetic, and they move in nights and all with the revolver in their hand. But when he met Osibal, he was very fatty, sloppy, and lazy movement, just carefree person. Outlook, he was looking just a carefree person. A carefree person lag raha tha, bilkul not caring for anyone. And it was a small room on the sixth and the top floor. सिक्स टॉप फ्लोर पर उसको एक छोटा सा रूम मिला हुआ था. एंड स्केर्सली सेटिंग फॉर ए रोमांटिक एडवेंचर, स्केर्सली, हार्डली, it was for any sort of adventure. For example, hotel and all, they are for enjoyment and all, but it was not there in that. उसमें ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. Means the room situation, it was like that. उसके कमरे की ऐसी ही थी. Means if there is a question why he was first disappointed or what was his reaction when he met Osibal. को जब वो मिला था उसकी रिएक्शन क्या थी और उसकी फीलिंग्स क्या थी और व्हाई वाज टोटली डिसअपॉइंटेड, वो डिसअपॉइंटेड क्यों था. ओसेबल वाज फॉर वन थिंग फैट, मतलब वो बहुत ही फैट था, एंड वेरी नोट मतलब फैट, he was very fat, he was very fat. This is the description, give description of Osibal. There you can write he was very fat. And then there was his accent. Accent means way of talking. Actually, accent, there is always influence of mother tongue on anyone when we are speaking foreign language. जब भी हम foreign language को speak करते हैं, बोलते हैं, we are having the mother tongue influence. MTI we call it. इसको MTI बोलते हैं, mother tongue influence. For some local from Haryana, if you will speak, certainly the Haryanvi accent will be there. Punjabi, if they speak, their Punjabi, or any from South India, if they speak, it means their own local language touch will be there always. Okay, so this is accent. And though he spoke French and German, possibly, मतलब फ्रेंच और जर्मन क्लियरली बोल देता था, एंड ही हैड नेवर ऑल टुगेदर लॉस्ट द अमेरिकन एक्सेंट, लेकिन उसका अमेरिकन, बिकॉज ही वाज बाय बर्थ अमेरिकन, अमेरिकन एक्सेंट इट हैज नेवर गॉन, वो गया नहीं था। एंड ही हैड ब्रॉट अप टू पेरिस फ्रॉम बोस्टन, एंड ही हैज ब्रॉट टू पेरिस, पेरिस लेके आए थे फ्रेंच में, एंड फ्रॉम बोस्टन 20 years ago, 20 years, of course 20 years ago he has come from America, but still his accent was there, अभी भी उसका जो accent था it was still American. You are disappointed, possible said, possible ने कहा you are so he was totally disappointed when he met possible, possible को जब उसने मिला वो totally disappoint हो गया था, and possible he did not fit any description of a secret agent. So you are disappointed, possible said. Over the shoulder, मतलब he just looked over the shoulder while he was coming, he was following him. वो उसको फॉलो कर रहा था, उसने पीछे कंधे के ऊपर से देख कर कहा, आई थिंक यू आर टोटली डिसअपॉइंटेड, आप काफी डिसअपॉइंटेड हो गए, एंड ओवर हिज शोल्डर, एंड यू आर टोल्ड दैट आई वाज अ सीक्रेट एजेंट, मतलब उसने ही डिड नॉट टेल आई एम अ सीक्रेट एजेंट, यू आर टोल्ड, आपको बताया गया कि मैं सीक्रेट एजेंट, अ स्पाई, and dealing in the espionage, all secret matters, and the danger, और जितने भी खतरे होते हैं, there is a lot of danger in spying, rather you can say activities and all. जो spy एक दूसरे की गुप्त सूचनाएं लेने के लिए, there is a very dangerous activities. And you wish to meet me, आप मुझे मिलना चाहते थे, because you are a writer, you wanted to write something about the secret agent. That he told Fowler. Fowler को उसने कह दिया कि you are a secret agent, you wanted to meet, आप मुझे मिलना चाहते. And young and romantic, you are a very young and romantic. Suppose there is a description of, there can be a question, who was Fowler? Fowler was a young and romantic writer. He wanted to write something about the secret agent, because he had read that secret agents, they are very mysterious figure, they move in dark with pistol in their hand, and they are totally strange people, mysterious strange people, and this is the description, and he wanted to, that's why he met Possible. Sometimes there can be a question, why did he meet Possible? Possible को क्यों मिला? Again, you have to answer the same way. We are the young and romantic writer. He wanted something about to write something about the secret agent. That's why he took a appointment there, and he met in the French hotel. He was living on the sixth and top floor in a small room. एक छोटे से कमरे में रहता. And they were a mysterious figure in the night, and the crack of pistol, crack sound of pistol, drug in the wine, and they used drug and all. This is all, this sort of habit normally these secret events in there. Instead, you spend a dull evening in French music hall, and with a sloppy fat man, एक sloppy, very lazy fat man, एक बहुत मोटे व्यक्ति के साथ, lazy व्यक्ति के साथ आपने एक dull evening बिताई है होटल में. मतलब it was not enjoyable, it was not a very full of excitement and all. And who instead of having messages, जो उसमें message मिलते थे, slipped into his hand by a dark-eyed beauty. जो एक dark-eyed beauty ने एक message भी उसको मतलब भेज दिया था कि one writer he wanted to meet, एक writer आपसे मिलना चाहता है. That's only a parasite telephone call making an appointment in his. एक छोटी सी कॉल से आपका अपॉइंटमेंट हो गया था. मतलब he was not at all busy and he has given time. You have been bored, और उसने कहा बोर भी हो गए होंगे, because there was no excitement in the music room. And the fat man chuckled to himself as the unlocked the door. He chuckled to himself as he unlocked the door of his room. And now they were going to their room, and then he unlocked. उसने unlock अपना room किया, and stood aside to let his frustrated guest enter. Means normally it is the custom tradition to give a respect to the to any guest. We try to allow him, to let him first enter into the. We open the door, allow him to enter into the room. उसको अंदर करने के लिए उसने पहले enter किया. and you are disillusioned, Oswald told him. Oswald ने बोला you are disillusioned means one sort of cheating. आपके साथ धोखा हुआ means you have come to a wrong place. आप एक गलत जगह पर आए. But take cheer. लेकिन उसने कहा don't worry, take cheer means be happy. And my young friend, presently you will see a paper. मतलब अभी आप पेपर मिलने वाले. Paper, what was the paper? These are the important documents regarding missile technology, and which are very important for paper for any country, which could change the history of it. किसी भी देश का इतिहास बदलने के लिए वो पेपर्स काफी important है. A quite important paper for which several men and women have risked their lives. और उन पेपर्स के लिए बहुत से men and women means again from the secret the spying department, इनके all secret agents and come to me, and जो वो आज मेरे पास मिलने वाले means those secret agents they are trying to get any out, but those secret agents secret papers I am going to get, important papers I am going to get, मुझे मिलने वाले. Someday soon that paper may well affect the course of history. और कभी and someday soon जब भी किसी दिन वो किसी भी देश का इतिहास बदल दे. And in that thought is a drama is there not, or in that thought is a drama, and in that thought मतलब ये एक ड्रामा है, and is there not मतलब क्या ड्रामा नहीं है. Let's see. And as he spoke, जैसे वो बोलता गया means he opened the door and he allowed him to enter inside. He was speaking. Oswald closed the door behind him. उसके पीछे उसने दरवाजा बंद किया. Then he switched on the light. और तब उसने लाइट स्विच ऑन की. And as the light came on, जैसे ही लाइट ऑन हुई, the caller had his first authentic thrill of the day. कॉलर को अपनी थ्रिल एक्साइटमेंट ऑफ द डे, उसको पहला एक्साइटमेंट यहाँ पर उसको दिखाई दिया. हाफ वे अक्रॉस द रूम, उस रूम में आधे हाफ वे अक्रॉस मतलब बीच में लगभग, अ स्मॉल ऑटोमेटिक पिस्टल इन हिज हैंड स्टूड ए मैन. एक व्यक्ति छोटी सी पिस्टल अपने हाथ में ऑटोमेटिक पिस्टल लिए हुए स्टूड ए मैन, एक व्यक्ति वहां पर खड़ा हुआ था. इट मींस ऑलरेडी समवन वाज देयर इन द रूम, उसके रूम में ऑलरेडी. Oswald blinked a few times. उसने एक दो बार ब्लिंक किया. ब्लिंक मींस दैट इज द क्लोजिंग ऑफ द दिस वन आईज एंड ऑल. ओके, ब्लिंकिंग. एंड मैक्स ही व्हील्स, उसने व्हील से कहा मैक्स यू आर मींस ही आइडेंटिफाइड हिम, he identified and told him, and you gave me a quite start means you have surprised me, आपने तो मुझे सरप्राइज कर दिया. I thought you were in Berlin, मैंने सोचा आप तो बर्लिन में होना चाहिए. And what are you doing here in my room? लेकिन आप मेरे रूम में क्या कर रहे हो? Means he did not want to. These are the secret agents. They did not disclose their aim or ambition. What is there? Now, this is the first part. Now, how was Mac got in? अब ये कैसे अंदर आया? And how does Oswald say he got in? और Oswald कैसे कह रहा था कि वो अंदर आया? Means what was the difference of opinion इन दोनों में? क्या क्या opinion इनके अलग-अलग? Max was slender. Now this is the description of slender, very thin, बहुत सा पतला, little less than tall. Tall तो नहीं कह सकते, but little less than of the normal height. Normal height का था. With the feature that suggested slightly the crafty, very good build, crafty, good build, pointed and the countenance of a fox. Means he was looking like a very clever, looking like a fox. Fox की तरह clever लग रहा था. Means he was very clever. And he was not at all, at least not tall. He was not short also. He was not short also, and he was very thin and very active, very smart, very active. And there was about him, aside from the gun, nothing especially, and nothing menacing. Menacing means dangerously. Or except this one, because his look was just a normal. It was a smart look and all. But only thing he was having a gun that was dangerous for him. More dangerous. The report he murmured means he whispered. धीरे से बोलना. He spoke very in a low tone. Low tone में उसने बोला that ये report. Report means that report about the important documents that is regarding the missile technology. Missile technology which could affect the course of any course of history of any country. किसी भी हिस्ट्री मतलब किसी भी देश की हिस्ट्री का कोर्स अफेक्ट कर सकता है. द रिपोर्ट दैट इज बीइंग ब्रॉट टू यू टुनाइट, जो रिपोर्ट आज रात आपको आ रही है, एंड कंसर्निंग सम न्यू मिसाइल्स, नई मिसाइल्स के साथ जो रिपोर्ट आज आपको आ रही है. आई थॉट आई वुड टेक इट अवे फ्रॉम यू, मैंने सोचा मैं आपसे वो रिपोर्ट लूंगा, मैं आपसे वो रिपोर्ट ले लूंगा, and it will be safer in my hands than in yours. Means it will be very safe with me. मेरे साथ ही वो ज्यादा safe होगी, not with you. Means he wanted to actually show his over smartness. He thinks that he's the smarter here. He's more smarter than rather than say Oswald. Oswald से ज्यादा smart. समझ रहा आप? Than in yours. That's why he told it will be very safe with me, not with you. Okay. Oswald moved to an armchair. Now he moved to an. He wanted to talk. He wanted to sit there. वहाँ पर वो बैठना चाहता था. He moved into the. Oswald moved to an armchair. एक armchair. He just wanted to sit because they wanted to talk, and sat down heavily because he was very fat. He just dropped himself into the chair. अपने आप को chair में डाल दिया. And I'm going to raise the devil with the management. Means with the management, I'm going to complain this one, because now he started using his mind, presence of mind rather. He has showed, he has used, and he has actually framed two stories immediately to just trap him. उसको trap करने के लिए he made two stories at this time, and you can bet on it. He said grimly, very seriously. Grimly, he said very seriously. He said, you can have bet with me. And this is the second time in a month that somebody has got into my room through that nuisance of balcony. उसने कहा, this is the second time. It means, according to Oswald, how did Max enter in his room? कैसे उसने enter किया? It means through the, he's considering that he might have entered through the balcony. And Fowler's eyes went to the single window of the room. There was a single window in the room. It went to the eyes. उसकी eyes की तरफ. It was an ordinary window. ये बिल्कुल ordinary window थी, common window थी, against which now the night was pressing blackly. और जहाँ पर night, because it was very dark outside, was pressing blackly. It means there was a dark just near the window. में. It means the balcony, if it is there, it was not visible. ये visible नहीं. It has added the comfort. और try to whatever he tried to prove, जो उसने prove करने की कोशिश की, it was helping, उसको help करने की कोशिश कर रहा. An ordinary window against which now the night was pressing blackly, जिसके against पे जो night अभी वो blackly press कर रहा है. Okay, up to here only we will do this one. Once again, what was the questions? Let's see. Okay, now there are some questions. First question, how is Oswald different from other secret agents? Now it is according to Fowler. Fowler, who was a young and romantic writer, he wanted to write something about the secret agent or all these files. And he has heard that these secret agents, today 57, how the strength has come. Yes, students, because of some technical problem, I think we will not be able to talk to the control room. Control room में बात नहीं कर पाएंगे. Only we are having direct conversation. हमारी direct बात, and you will not be able to put on. Tomorrow we will take up your query session. Okay, regarding this one, I'll explain today only this chapter. Tomorrow it will be completed. How is Oswald different from other secret agents? Because he has read about the other secret agents. They are very mysterious figure. They move in dark. They are having a pistol in hand, and they are leading a very dangerous life. Because according to their profession, के काम के हिसाब से, their life is very dangerous. And even they add liquor, drug into the wine. Wine में drug भी मिलाते हैं. Means these are the mysterious thing, mysterious activity they perform. And that's why he wanted to meet Oswald, because Oswald was also a secret agent, and he wanted to write something about the secret agent. उसके बारे में लिखना चाहता. Okay. Now next question is, who is Fowler? What is his first authentic thrill of the day? What was the first authentic thrill? Authentic, according to the proper authority, thrill, excitement, कौन सी हुई थी? When he entered into the room, because his evening was totally dull and he was also disappointed. वो पूरा डिसअपॉइंटेड था with his performance, with the when he met Osibal से मिला, because he was not at all satisfied, he was not at all convinced that he was a secret agent. वो बिल्कुल secret agent के रूप में मतलब उसको convince नहीं कर पाता. He was very fat, very sloppy, lazy and all dull, and it was a dull evening. He was totally disappointed. But when he entered into the room and he saw, when the light was on, when the light was switched on, immediately he saw that in the center of the room there was a one not tall, one just medium height man with a pistol in his hand. He was standing there. He was standing there. This was the first authentic feel of the day. Now, how did he pass the time there? That way. Okay, how has Max got in? How has Max got in? And how does Osibal say he got in? Because according to Osibal, he might have got in through the balcony and then through the window. Then through the window. That's why he told that he is going to lodge a complaint with the management. And already he is very strict regarding, because this was the second incident in the month. Actually, he framed just this story to trap him. उसको confidence में लेने के लिए सिर्फ ये story उसने बनाई. Then and how has Max got in? Max कैसे मतलब उसके अंदर आया था? How did he enter into the room? Actually, he entered into the room with the help of a pass key. And then he told, if I would have known, I would have not taken that much pain. तो इतना पेन मैं नहीं लेता to enter into the room. उसमें enter करने के लिए मैं इतना पेन नहीं लेता. Okay. Yes. Students, if you want, you can raise your hand. Let's see, we can try anything regarding anything you want to ask. Just try to raise your hand. Yes, any students? Yeah. Yes.
साहिल अपनी वीडियो ऑन कर पहले.
Yes. हाँ जी. हेलो.
ठीक है सर. साहिल डिस्कस करेगा सर आपसे.
पेपर कब से है सर? पेपर कब से है सर?
That date sheet will be given to you. Okay.
ठीक है सर.
Paper and all, it will be told to you. Date sheet will be given to you. Okay.
ठीक है सर.
At present, but hopefully in the last week of the June. Hopefully in the last week of the June, exact date it will be given as and when it is ready. जब भी डेट शीट हो जाएगी आपको दे देंगे, but approximately it will be in the last week of the June. Yes.